Hello and welcome to Happy Dish Club. My name is Dana and today I present you this delicious coconut cake. Really easy to make and just a few ingredients which I like. For the base of the cake I'm going to need 3 eggs, 50 grams of butter which I'm going to melt, 100 grams of caster sugar, vanilla extract like 1 tablespoon, 200 milliliters of milk, 10 grams of baking powder, and 250 grams of flour. First I have to mix the flour and the baking powder. This way the cake will rise evenly and it will bake evenly. I'm going to put all the eggs in one single bowl. I've told you the cake is so easy to make, you don't need to use too many things to prepare it. So put all the eggs in this bowl. I'm going to use the mixer to mix the eggs with sugar until the sugar will almost dissolve. You can do this with a simple whisk, but it will go faster if you use the mixer. To give more flavor, I'm going to add vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon, but as you see here, I'm just winging it. And I will mix again. And also I melted the butter in the microwave and I'm going to pour it over the eggs. Careful, the butter needs to be warm, not hot. Also add milk. And I will finish this batter using a simple whisk to incorporate the dry ingredients, to incorporate flour and baking powder. And this is pretty much the sponge cake, the base of the cake. I will pour now the batter in this dish that it's a square now, 24 by 24 centimeters. I grease it with butter and powder it with flour, and I will pour this batter, level it, and bake the cake in the oven, in the preheated oven at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. But better is to do the toothpick test, and if that toothpick will come out clean, the cake is baked, and you take it out and leave it to cool down. For a topping, I'm going to need 150 grams of butter. Doesn't have to be room temp or anything else, because I'm going to melt it. 100 grams of brown sugar, 50 milliliters of milk, and of course coconut, because the cake was about them, 100 grams of coconut flakes. And in a pot I will melt butter, sugar and milk on the stove. Mix it really good until the sugar will almost dissolve, and pour the coconut flakes over. And when the sponge cake is baked, I'm going to pour this topping over, level it, and bake it again for 10 more minutes, and after that let it cool down. And of course, when you portion this cake, make sure to have some friends around so you can share this cake with them. And as I told you in the beginning, the cake is easy to prepare, just a few ingredients, and it is absolutely delicious, and I honestly want you to try to make it as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you here next time. Until then, find reasons to smile. Bye.